Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing a makeup mashup video where I take two randomly selected makeup looks from Pinterest and combine them to make a new makeup look. Today's looks are a sugar skull makeup look and a pearl beaded makeup look. To start this look, I'm doing the makeup around the eyes. In the inspiration photo, she used her eyebrows as part of the eye socket and just made the kind of shadow look like a hollowed out area. So here I'm using a light brown shade, then using a darker brown shade on the inner eye socket area, and finally darkening the area with a black eyeshadow, but keeping it lighter up towards the eyebrows. Then with black face paint, I'm sketching out the cheek hollow area for the skull. And for the mouth, we're starting with a red liquid lipstick. And you'll want a lipstick that dries completely because we're going to be putting on lines afterward. Then with face paint, I'm sketching and filling in the nose hollow area. Next, I'm making the teeth lines over the lipstick. Then extending the smile line and making the other teeth marks. Then with black eyeshadow, I begin to shade underneath the hollow area of the mouth. And starting to shade above the teeth area to connect to the cheekbones. And you could stop here for just a regular sugar skull kind of look. And here I begin adding the pearl rhinestones, adhering them with liquid latex, trying to do similar patterns with the pearls as the pearl makeup inspiration. And that completes this pearl sugar skull makeup look. I really loved both the inspiration photos and thought it would be a unique look to combine them. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.